Hello students, this is Rekha. Today we will do class 10 areas related to circles, exercise 11.1, 8th question. See, a horse is tied to a peg at the corner of the square. Okay, this is a square. At the corner, one peg is there. The horse is tied to a peg at the corner of the square shaped grass field. This field is square shape and the side is 15 meter. This square side 15 meter. By means of 5-meter long rope. Okay, 5-meter long rope to this horse is tied. Okay, next we will find what? Find the area of the part of the field in which the horse can graze. Okay, 5-meter rope to this horse is tied. Tied means this area horse will graze. So this area we will find. This is which shape? Sector shape. So here it is a square shape field. So here how much degree? 90 degree. Okay, radius is the 5 meter. Okay, now we will find horse can graze. Okay, horse can graze. This area will graze. So now which area we will find? Area of the sector we will find. Okay, here you know the radius is the 5 and theta is 90 degree. So area of sector formula what? Theta by 360. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, now see here, theta means 90 degree. 90 by 360 into pi value is given 3.14. 3.14. Radius is the 5. 5 into 5. Simplified means this area we will get. Okay, 0, 0 cancel. 9 ones are 9. 9 fours are 36. Now see here, 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 fives are 10. Here 1 remain. 2 sevens are 14. Next 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4.5. Okay. Now what is remain? See, 1.57 into 2.5 into 5. Okay. These all multiplied means you will get a 19.625. This is a meter. So we will write area is there means we will write a meter square. So this area is 19.625 meter square is the answer. Now second question. The increase in the grazing of area. Okay. If the rope went 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Here increase area we will find. Actually starting only this much area is there. Now rope is 10 meter means this is the sector. Okay, which area increased? This area increased. This increased area we will find means how we will find this big sector to this small sector minus means we will get the increase area. Okay, already you know the small sector area. Okay, now we will find this big sector area we will find later this full big sector to this small sector minus means we will get increased area. Okay, first we will find a big sector area we will find. Now radius how much is there? It is 10 meter is there. Radius is the 10 meter. R is equal to 10. Next, theta is equal to 90 degree. Okay, R is equal to 10, theta is equal to 90 degree. We will apply. So, sector formula what? A big sector. Now we are finding this full big sector area. Area of sector formula what is there? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Pi r square. Theta means here 90 degree. 90 by 360 into pi value 3.14. into radius is now 10. 10 into 10. We will simplify means we will get big sector area. See here 0, 0 cancel. 9 ones are 9. 9 fours are 36. So 2 possible. What we will do? 2 twos are 4. 2 fives are 10. Next 2 ones are 2. 2 fives are 10. So now what is remain? 3.14 into 5 into 5. Okay, these all multiplied means you will get 78.5. 78.5 meter square. So this is the big sector area. Now this is the small sector area. So this big sector area to small sector area minus means you will get the increased area. This full sector to this small minus means this increased area you will get. Okay, now right here increase in area is equal to big sector area. How much is there? Big sector area 78.5. 78.5 minus small sector area. This is 19.625. This 2 minus 2 means you will get 58.875 meter square is the answer. This is the answer. So once again I will repeat. See, first you will find a small sector area. This answer you will get. Next you find this full sector area. You will get this answer. So this answer minus this answer means you will get increased area. You will get this is the answer. Okay. Now, ninth question. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle. Okay, this circle using silver wire with the diameter 35 mm. D is equal to 35 mm is there. The wire is also used making in 5 diameters. This diameter also using silver wire. Okay. 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. So here 10 sectors are there. All sectors area is equal. Now first question asking, find the total length of the silver wire is required. Okay, wire length we will find. Okay, once again repeat. See here, wire where we are using this circumference wire using this diameter also wire using. Okay, how you will find this circumference plus this 5 diameters total means you will get wire. Where is there silver wire? This circumference is there. This 5 diameter silver wire is there. The total length of the silver wire is required. So first this is circumference. Circle circumference silver wire is there. Circumference of the circle formula what? 2 pi r plus 5 diameter also. This diameter also silver wire is there. So 5 into diameter. 5 into diameter means you will get total length of the wire. Okay. 2 into pi value 22 by 7. Next radius. Diameter given 35. Radius is the 35 by 2. So radius you write 35 by 2 plus 5 into diameter. How much is there? 35 is there. Okay. Now any cancel chance is there? See 7 1 is 7. 7 5 is 35. Next 2 cancel. 22 into 5. So 5 2 is 10. 5 2 is 10 plus 1 11. 110 plus 35 into 5. 5 5 is 25. 5 3 is 15 plus 2 17. 110 plus 75. 110 plus 75. 110 plus 175. So 5 8 285. So this one is 285 millimeter. So it is equal to 285 millimeter. This is the length of the wire. So this length of the wire is how much is there? 285 millimeter. One answer came. Next is asking one more question. What is there? See one more question. Carefully listen. The area of each sector in the brooch. Okay, each sector same length is there. So one sector length how much is there? We will find. Okay, area of each sector. Area of each sector is equal to each sector we will find. So area of each sector how we will find? This circle divided by, here how many equal parts are there? 10 equal parts are there. This circle divided by 10 means area of circle divided by 10 means you will get each sector area you will get. Okay, area of circle formula what? Pi r square. Pi r square divided by 10 means you will get the answer. Okay. Now see here, apply the values. Pi value is the 22 by 7. Okay, here 10 is there, 10 right. Next radius how much is there? Radius 35 by 2. 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. Pi radius 35 by 2. Pi r square by 10. Pi value is the 22 by 7. Radius 35 by 2. 35 by 2 here 10. Okay. Now any cancel chances is there? See 2 ones are 2 11s. Okay. Next 7 ones are 7 5s. Next again any chance is there? 5 ones are 5. 5 2s are 10. Again any chance? No. Okay, what is remain? Upside 11 remain 11 into 35 divided by 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4. So 35 into 11. 35 into 11 means 35. 35. Okay, 5 8 385. So 385 by 4 millimeter square. In textbook given this answer only, but we will convert into point also. Now see here 385 divided by 4. Okay, 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. How much remain? 2 remain. 5 4 6 are 24. How much remain? 1 remain. 0.0. 4 2s are 8. 2 remain. Point is there 0. 4 5s are 20. Okay, 96 point, write final answer here, 96.25 millimeter square. Each sector area is millimeter square. This is the first answer. This is the second answer. Next questions we will do next video. Again, you have any doubt, also comment it and subscribe my channel. Done.